Swatika and welcome to another video. This week's LSM shout out goes to Vaishnavi. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my social media platforms, here are the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. For today's video, summer is here. Like even though मुझे winter का layering and वो सब बहुत पसंद है, there is something else about a summer outfit or like a good summer fashion fit. And in fact, it can get a little bit more tricky to style summer clothes because usually you just have like two pieces to play around with. And what becomes super duper important, especially on an everyday basis, a lot of people are going to college, people have work, it becomes very important कि आपके summer basics sorted हो so that each time you don't have to think about अच्छा इसको fashionable कैसे बनाए. If you have some good summer basic fits, then you'll be pretty much sorted for a majority of the summer season. So for that, for today's video, I decided to share my sort of 10 top summer basics must haves and all of these products are for H&M. एक तो H&M online है तो सब ले पाएंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट पसंद आ रहा है then you will be getting it online, and of course all of them are super duper affordable, which of course is super duper important when it comes to like your basic wear. And at least in my experience, मेरे जितने भी basics रहे हैं from H&M, they have lasted me a pretty long time, 2 seasons, 3 seasons, and so I thought कि ये perfect video होगी. So let's straight up get into it. First, a product I have जो मैंने recently spot किया H&M पे. बहुत सारे बाहर के brands ये कर रहे हैं, but it still hadn't come in like an affordable environment. So this is what I found. This is a bodysuit and I absolutely love the color of this one. It's very different, and again a lot of people are not wearing something like this. This has lines on the front so it will fit you really nicely, and of course ये bodysuit तो है ही है, and I love the way bodysuits just, you know, they fit according to your body type, and especially if you have to wear something all day long तो वो हिलता नहीं है, like top ऊपर नीचे नहीं होता है, वो एकदम वैसे ही रहता है. Now of course you can pair this simple bodysuit with your basic denims. I think any kind of denims will go with this because of the color, especially if you are not comfortable with a strappy top, then you can wear some kind of like a cotton jacket and you can just tie up ऊपर waist पे. When it comes to me and H&M, मैं उनके athleisure and उनके night sets का एकदम like fan हूँ at this point. So of course I had to pick up something, and again when I recently went shopping, I found this really funky sort of night suit. So this is the top. I love कि ये इतनी oversized है, like fitted नहीं है. Who wants a like form fitting night suit? It's very oversized. It's very bright, like hence summery vibes तो इसमें full on है, and it has a pair of shorts which are again like looking so comfortable and so much fun with this lemon print in green color, yellow shades. तो यार मेरे को तो ये बहुत पसंद आया है, and I can say from past experience that their nightwear lasts a pretty long time. Now when it came to summer basics, I wanted to keep something from each category, especially अगर आप अपनी you know sort of wardrobe revamp कर रहे हो, अपना style level up कर रहे हो, then you have an idea कि आप first time क्या purchase कर सकते हो, like what item will last long and is also fashionable and pretty trendy. So when it came to dresses, I think that became a really tough one कि ऐसी क्या basic dress खरीदे. So what I found, ये मैंने पहले H&M में ली थी, it's this polka dot dress. Now the color again keeps this one very neutral, and it gives sort of room to accessorize a lot, especially अगर आप कुछ basic खरीद रहे हो, you don't want to wear it once. The purpose is कि वो आपका एक go to option हो and आप उसको हर बार एक different sort of essence दे सको. Firstly, it's a gorgeous sort of net dress. It has a lining of course, but overall but उसके ऊपर एक polka dot में mesh है, and the sleeves are completely mesh, and it has a very cute sort of tie up at the back. So I absolutely love it. It's a good length as well, काफी summer appropriate है. And again when it comes to the styling of this one, you can again layer it. Sneakers के साथ जाएगा ये, flats के साथ जाएगा, tie up sandals के साथ जाएगा, and similarly if you want to sort of elevate it. You can wear like mesh leggings. Okay, for the next thing, again, this is fresh off the latest collection at H&M. It is these pants. What is different about these pants is अगर आप पास से देखोगे, these are sort of crochet trousers. Again, summers में jeans I try to avoid. I like to have multiple basic trouser options on the days when you think it's extremely hot. The color, again, absolutely neutral. Styling possibilities are endless and it looks super duper funky. The only thing I'm suggesting this one कि इसमें जो अंदर lining है वो सिर्फ एक V shape में यहाँ तक है बस. So if you are not comfortable, you can wear like something longer inside. Comfortable तो है ही है, but of course it has that fashion twist because of the crochet sort of a material. The next thing when it comes to having summer basics, we have discussed lots of neutral options, but what you can do is bring that color into your wardrobe as well. So what I have for you are these pants in a purple color. तो ये proper denim jeans है. I love the fact कि ये नीचे से flared है, which I love in summers. And you know, you can go for this beautiful pop of color. I think ये एक neon sort of green में भी available थी. In fact, इस top के साथ भी इतनी अच्छी जा रही है jeans. And you can wear this with a different color top as well, or with a neutral top as well. In fact, ये वो nude bodysuit के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, giving you lots of flexibility. And अगर आप एकदम confused हो कि यार summer में क्या पहने, कैसे style करे, then I know that these basics की list will help you curate a really nice sort of capsule wardrobe जहाँ पे आप एकदम interchange कर सकते हो आपस में items. Okay, the next thing I have are items that मैंने last season है उसके in fact last season खरीदे हैं and they have lasted till now. And I mean, इतनी पिक्चर्स है, इतने आउटफिट्स में मैं इसको लाइक रगड़ के पहन चुकी हूँ इन प्रोडक्ट्स को. बट आई बेसिकली हैव दिस बॉडी सूट फ्रॉम, आई थिंक दिस वॉज फ्रॉम डिवाइडेड. And as I said that I absolutely love bodysuits, especially on a long day. They look like they will stay as is पूरा दिन. And I have to have one in black. Again, जब मैं कुछ समझ नहीं रहा कि क्या पहनूँ, then this is my go-to option. बहुत बार मैंने इसको इनफैक्ट विंटर्स में लेयर भी किया हुआ है, लाइक इसके ऊपर जैकेट्स एंड ब्लेजर्स एंड वो सब भी पहने हुए हैं. कमिंग टू हैविंग यूज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि मैंने अपने H&M हॉल में कभी ये दिखाया है नहीं दिखाया है, बट मैंने ये जब से खरीदा है. दिस बैग हैज़ बिन विद मी ऑलमोस्ट ऑन एन एवरी डे बेसिस. दिस इज़ द बैग. ये सॉर्ट ऑफ उनके डियोर रिपॉफ्स वाले कलेक्शन का पार्ट है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द शेप जो मैंने नहीं रियलाइज़ किया था पहले, बट वंस आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, इसमें इतना सारा सामान आता है, लाइक इट्स क्रेजी कंपेयर टू दोज राउंड लाइक यू नो जो बंद होते हैं बैग्स. This fits so much stuff and it does have a little zipper here as well, जिसमें अगर आपको कोई छोटी items रखनी है. मैंने ये अपना पॉम इसमें लगाया हुआ है, but this has lasted me an amazing amount of time and you know बाहर पड़ा रहता है, but it still looks pretty good. The next thing I want to have in this list is something for people who work as well, and I found this really cool pair of trousers. तो ये 1500 की है, which is a really good price point for workwear. And this is what it looks like. So they are in sort of a navy blue color and proper यहाँ पे पूरी vertical lines है. The bottoms are flared again and the material is super duper soft. It looks very nice and I'm pretty sure you can get the you know जो भी आपका exact size है, ताकि it suits you really well and fits you really well, because I think in all of these basics that is the key point कि अगर आप कुछ बहुत simple पहन रहे हो, then it has to fit you really well. It has to suit your body type really well. So make sure कि आप ये point दिमाग में रखो कि वो properly fitted हो, ironed हो, crisp हो एकदम, and then a basic can you know be worn easily. Okay, the next product I have from H&M, again one of these products जो आपने मेरे को पता नहीं कितनी pictures में देखा होगा probably पहनते हुए on Instagram. This is my go-to pair of jeans. मैंने इसके पहले हमेशा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मुझे skinny fit jeans सूट करती है, तो मैंने इसके पहले सिर्फ स्किनी फिट जीन्स पहनी है. एंड जब से मैंने ये पैंट्स खरीदी है, मैंने कोई और टाइप की जीन्स अभी तक नहीं पहनी है आई थिंक. सो दीज आर बेसिकली योर गो टू सॉर्ट ऑफ मॉम जीन्स, बॉयफ्रेंड जीन्स कह लो आप. बेसिकली इट्स फ्लैट H&M पे ये एक टाइप की जीन्स है. इट्स मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली फॉर 1299 एंड इट्स अवेलेबल इन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स. ये एक लाइटर शेड ऑफ ब्लू में है, ये डार्कर में अवेलेबल है, वाइट में अवेलेबल है, ब्लैक में अवेलेबल है. So depending upon whatever color suits you, I would highly recommend these. So we've talked about jeans, tops, dresses, work wear, and just to complete my list of summer basics, because you know I wanted to give you all the items and how you can purchase all of them online. The next thing I have is again यार ये पता नहीं कितनी पिक्चर्स में है, बट जब भी ट्रैवल करना होता है स्पेशली दीज डेज आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर दैट लाउंज वेयर एथलीजर वाली फील. एंड H&M में से मैंने काफ़ी खरीदे हुए हैं, बट आई थिंक माई मोस्ट worn one has been this one till now, a ribbed quad set. It has of course little lines, which is why it's ribbed. यहाँ पे elastic है, it's available in a beige color, and then this is the top. अगेन सिंस ये थोड़ा मेरा लाइक गो टू ट्रैवल एथलीजर है, लाउंज वेयर वाली फील का है, इट्स नॉट फॉर्म फिटिंग, इट्स वेरी वेरी लूज, वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल, एंड यू कैन अगेन गो फॉर मोर ब्राइटर कलर्स इन दिस वन. मैंने रिसेंटली ब्लू में भी परचेज किया है विच लुक्स रियली रियली गुड. बट माई मेन एम वॉज टू टेल यू कि ये सारे ऑप्शंस आपके पास, अगर आप एक बिगिनर है विद योर फैशन वार्डरोब एंड यू लुकिंग टू सॉर्ट ऑफ बिल्ड अप दैट कैप्सूल समर वार्डरोब, देन आई थिंक that these 10 items will just do that job for you. And इसके अलावा of course if you have any questions, any sort of personalized queries, then chat box में डाल दो. I will try to answer them as much as possible. And I hope you enjoyed today's Fashion Friday video. I shall see you very very soon.